Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for coming back to support me. So, guys, today we are making vegetable soup. This is Edikaikong soup. So, without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the video. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to the channel, okay? So, guys, let's get started. Here are the things I'll be using to prepare this vegetable soup. I have my crayfish, and I have my beef. I'm using both beef and goat meat here. And here is my dried fish. And here I have my scotch bonnet pepper. And pumpkin leaf. So this is my ugu leaf. Water leaf. So now we are going to start by cooking our meat. And into my pot, I just added in my beef and my stock fish. And then I'll be going in with onions. Some people don't like using onions to cook their vegetable soup. Let me know, are you team onions in your vegetable soup or not? Let me know in the comment section. And why don't you like to use onions to cook your vegetable soup? So now I'll be adding in pepper. I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi Niger pot. So guys, I'll be adding in water now, enough to cook the meat, okay? In vegetable soup, you don't need lots of water, okay? Because the water leaf itself contains water. So you want your, as in your beef, your water to dry to an extent before you go in with your water leaf, so that you will not have much liquid in your soup. Vegetable soup does not need as in much water in it. So this water is just to cook my beef. So I'm just going to mix everything now, and I'm going to cover this pot and allow the meat to cook. And while the meat is cooking, I'll be preparing my vegetables, okay? Don't forget to like the video, leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? So guys, as I was shooting this video, NEPA took their light. Like, there's no light now. I'm shooting this with my torch. So please manage the video with me, okay? Thank you. So now that our meat is cooked, as you can see, there's just little water in here. So now I'll be adding my dried fish. I'll just add in my dried fish now. We're going to add in everything because here we don't waste, okay? Everything is so much expensive in the market now, so there's no wasting in the kitchen. And then I'll be adding in my crayfish. I'm going to stir everything now to combine. Just going to mix. As you can see, guys, I have little liquid in my pot. That's just little water in the pot. So you don't want to have much water in your pot so that you will not end up with watery vegetable soup, because Edikaikong soup is not supposed to be runny. It's supposed to be like just the leaf and your palm oil. Okay, so this is a one pot soup I'm making. So now I'll be adding in my palm oil. Be generous in your palm oil. Vegetable soup requires lots of palm oil, just like your afam soup. And then I'll add in my water leaf. I'm going to cover the pot now and I'll allow this to cook for a few minutes, okay? Because I don't want to overcook my water leaf. Few minutes and then we'll come back. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, okay? And if you have not liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comments for me in the comment section. So now I'm just going to stir this to combine everything together. If at this point you feel like your soup needs more oil, you can go in with more palm oil. I'll be adding in more palm oil inside this soup because I feel that I need more palm oil inside my soup. Like, you need it to be pumping, okay? That's vegetable soup. You have to be generous in your palm oil, just like you cook your afam soup. So I'm just going to stir and then I'll be testing for salt, and then I'm going to be adjusting the soup. I'm going to be adjusting the seasoning. I'm going to stir everything to properly combine all this together. But if you feel like you don't want more palm oil in your soup, Can just leave it like that. Test for salt, adjust your seasoning if there is need to, and then add in your ugu leaf. Okay, because once you add in your ugu leaf, you have to turn down your heat because you don't want to overcook the pumpkin leaf. Okay, so now I'll just go in with my pumpkin leaf. I'm going to stir this now, and once I'm done mixing everything together, I'll turn off my heat. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to leave your comment for me. Like this video if you have not liked the video. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, share it with all your family members. Let it get to a wider people. All right. And guys, this is what we have. Our vegetable soup is ready. I'll be enjoying this with my eba. That's my gari. Let me know in the comment section which swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. Which swallow goes well with vegetable soup. So for me, I'll be enjoying it with my eba. I hope you enjoyed watching. We'll be trying this out. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, and share. All right, leave your thoughts for me in the comment section. I love to read your comment, guys. I love to read your comment. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.